Hey everyone, this is John from Show Me Pickers, and today we're going to be showing you some of the really cool items that we sold on eBay. We did really well. We sold over 600 bucks worth of stuff, and one item sold for $300 by itself. We're also going to be discussing an issue with the post office that will be coming up. It doesn't affect me, but it could affect you. So be sure to catch the whole video so that you know what is coming up with the United States Postal Service that could affect the items that you are shipping out. Let's get to it.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Okay guys, this is the very first item that we sold today. It is a Jimmy Buffett. It's a LP, really nice framed record that we bought at auction. We bought it from Global Voodoo. I paid 125 bucks for it. I've got like $12 and some change in the frame, and we sold it for $300 plus shipping. I probably should have put more like $4 or $4.50 on it because it sold probably within 30 minutes of us listing it. It's still a really good profit. And this is a really highly sought after item. Apparently Jimmy Buffett autographs on records are pretty hard to find. So if you're ever out and about and you find one, be sure to pick it up. Okay guys, here is another item. We sold this actually on Bonanza. If you are not selling on Bonanza, the link is down below. You should sign up. And if you sign up when you make your first sale, we will both get 5,000 coins that you can turn around and trade to Bonanza for all kinds of neat stuff. So if you use my link down below and sign up, it will be really easy. You can import all of your items straight from eBay over to Bonanza. You automatically will import all of your future items that you list on eBay to Bonanza, and you can make sales just like this for doing little to no work at all. Absolutely no work at all. What did it sell for?
$14.
So $14. Think about signing up for Bonanza. And if you do, sign up under my referral code down below, and we will both get a reward when you sell your first item. Okay, the next item that we have here is a loud clanging mess here. I'll just let you carry that over there. It is a light fixture that we sold. We sell quite a few light fixtures. This one didn't bring as much money, but it's still pretty cool. How much did it sell for?
30 bucks.
30 bucks. Was that shipped or?
It is plus shipping.
Plus shipping. So there we go. That'll be a little bit of a booger to pack, but it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, guys, we've got 4 more of these basic B-word eyeshadows that are going out. 1, 2 go to individual customers, and then 1 customer bought a lot of 2. And we sold them for like 17 bucks a piece.
17 a piece, yeah.
No, I like it when people buy more than 1. That's always my favorite because we save on what? Shipping. Okay, this is the very next item that we sold. It is a cabinet made, under cabinet, little caddy to put all your little cleaning supplies in. We paid just a couple bucks for it at auction. How much did it sell for?
30 plus shipping.
$30 plus shipping. Those are always really good pickups. Anything you can find that's in the original box like that, we typically do pretty well with. Okay, guys, we finally sold one of these Weezer locks. It's a privacy knob set. How much did it sell for?
17 plus shipping.
17 plus shipping. I bought these well into, or at the beginning of last summer at an auction, and I think that's the first one of those that we sold. And how much did it sell for again?
18 plus shipping.
18 plus shipping.
15.
Okay, guys, this is the very next item that we sold. This is a little bit better DVD than what we normally sell for. How much did it sell for?
15 bucks.
Not bad at all. Okay, this is the next item that we sold. It is a St. Louis Rams, LA Rams youth hoodie. They're, I guess, football season. I don't know. Are they in the playoffs? I have no idea. But if they are, that's probably why we sold this. It's a 8 to 10. Nice little hooded little pullover. Hopefully the buyer really enjoys it. Go Rams, I guess. Okay, guys, this is the next item that we sold. A couple of hand-carved wooden rainbow trout. How much do they sell for?
35 plus shipping.
Not too bad. Some of that weird stuff brings good money. I'd have never thought it, but that's what I listed it for, so there you go. Hey everyone, this is John from Show Me Pickers, and today's sponsor of this video is Skillshare. No, it's not, because my YouTube channel is too small and we suck. We're never going to get sponsored by anybody other than you. You can go down below and hit that membership button, and for $2 a month, you can help feed a fat guy. And that is really awesome because I eat a lot. But There are a lot of benefits. Go down below, click that membership button, and see what we give you for just $2 a month. Pretty cool. Let's get back to the video. Okay, the next item that we have here is a Game Boy Advanced SP case. I listed that last night along with this, and it sold. How much did it sell for?
16 bucks.
Not too bad. Okay, we sold one of these. I think we've only sold one so far, but we paid 50 cents a piece for them, and they are Cooking with Kids DVD Volume 1 through 6 episode. Sold it for $9. Okay, the very next item that we sold is this Super Smash Bros. Brawl, and it sold for 21 bucks. 21 bucks, not too bad. Good game. Okay, guys, so I've got everything here laid out on the table. I've already started wrapping up old Jimmy Buffett. Got some of these basic itches. Got the rainbow trout, the light fixture, DVD, the car part, Game Boy Advance case, the under cabinet storage compartment thingy-mabobber. That's the technical term. We've got the St. Louis Rams pullover. We've got the doorknob. We've got all of these car parts here. We've got this DVD and that video game. Let's not forget this car part right here. And it sold for $655. That is a fantastic couple of days. Those are probably 2 days worth of sales. But Jimmy Buffett really came through for us. I love the home runs. If you notice that we did $655 in sales, half of it came from Jimmy. So you always want the home runs, but you're never going to build a business off of home runs. It's all of these little base hits. All of those little sales is what really adds up to make you a successful eBayer. That's my opinion. That's how we grew our business. And we are a full-time eBay dynamic duo couple, so that's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. See you in the next one. Hello everyone, this is John from Show Me Pickers, and I would like to give a heartfelt thank you to January House, Money for Mars, and Wendy M for becoming the latest members of our channel. I really appreciate that very much. You'll never know how much it means to me that you support the channel. But the main point of this video is to talk to you guys about the United States Postal Service. They are removing mailboxes and suspending mail service temporarily in some U.S. cities ahead of the United States presidential inauguration. They are worried that there could be violence that would break out, and they don't want to see the mailboxes become vandalized, and they don't want mail to be vandalized because if you put mail in the box, somebody might, throw a flammable liquid into that box and then burn the mail up in the box, and nobody wants that. Nobody wants to see mail be destroyed. Let's switch over here. Let's see if I can find my thing here. There we go. It says U.S. Postal Service removing mailboxes for security reasons ahead of the inauguration. We're just going to read a little bit of this. This comes from CNN. It says the U.S. Postal Service has temporarily removed some mailboxes in several major U.S. cities across the country, a security measure ahead of next week's inauguration of presidential-elect Joe Biden. Mail collection has been suspended at some mailboxes as well, according to the Postal Service. It's part of our normal procedures to keep our employees and customers safe during times of protest or when large crowds are gathered near postal facilities, on postal routes, or by mailboxes. So apparently, they're not going to be suspending all of the mail in these major cities, but if you drop off any packages, like say outside of your post office, or if you put them in a collection box somewhere in your neighborhood, there is a really good chance that it will not be picked up, or they have just flat out removed the big blue mailbox from your neighborhood, which kind of sucks, but who knows what's going to happen. We never know. I guess it's better to be safe than sorry. Nobody wants to put a bunch of their items into a mailbox and then the mailbox gets destroyed, or your items get destroyed or stolen, or whatever could happen. You might want to call, if you live in a major city, what I would personally do would be call ahead to your postal system or your post office and say, hey, this is what I do, this is who I am, this is where I drop my packages off. Will you be operating on these dates? Is the mail in my area going to be impacted at all? And most likely your postmaster at your local post office is going to know. They're going to be able to tell you right away whether or not you're going to have any impacts to your area. I live in a rural community,
way south of any major metropolitan area. I don't look for there to be any real issues here. If there were, I'd be absolutely shocked. This would be the last place in the whole world that I think that we would have any real issues, but you never know, so it's always good to go ahead and just check with your post office and make sure that everything's going to be okay. So what do you guys think about this whole thing? Do you think that the post office is making the right step or the wrong step? Do you think that they're overreaching? Do you think that this is all an overreaction to what happened at the Capitol building the other day? We would love to hear from you, so let me know down below. I really appreciate you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the haul from today, the items that we sold, and as always, we appreciate you for watching. God bless you guys. Keep on digging, keep on picking, and remember, the family that picks together sticks together. God bless you guys.
When the sun rises, when the sun